Here's how to remove your multiple accounts from Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, now you have to simply log out of your current account if you already signed into an account. Then you will be able to view this page. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now select the account that you want to remove and now tap on the remove option. After that, to confirm, again tap on the remove option at this pop-up. Once you remove your account from the app, you will need to enter your phone number or email address and password the next time you log in. Here you have to remember one thing also, that any end-to-end encrypted messages stored on this device will be deleted. You may not be able to recover these messages if you continue. So that's how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook.